3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, it's me, the Einstein of Wall Street. We are here with Trade Like Einstein. I am Peter Tuchman, and we're here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange in the balcony. History is made in this building every single day. Somebody with my long-term experience, I've been here for 137 years. It is my responsibility to help teach you how to navigate this market successfully. Boom!
It's a beautiful day to be in this market. A quarter for 250,000, 250,000, 3 A's taken. We closed out this day. Okay, this is Tuesday after 3 days of a bit of a relief rally based on the fact that we now know as much as an 85% probability that we are not going to get bamboozled by the Federal Reserve, and we are going to get a cut, which is spectacular, right? We knew that the odds of not getting a cut were about the same as me playing center for the New York Knicks for the 25-26 season. All that being said, we closed out the day significantly higher, as we've done the last couple of days. The minute we put that madness to rest, up 660 on the Dow, up 60 handles on the S&P, 1.2 billion on the tape, 3-1 advances versus declines. We had solid across the board. The Russell up, the transports up, tech up significantly, and that was all good. What was down was the VIX. Third day in a row. We had 3 days of double-digit rallies in the fear index, all around the fact that we were scared that the Federal Reserve was going to go with this mad story about the fact that AI is a bubble and that we aren't going to cut rates in December. Well, that ain't the case. Wrong. Forget about it. So since then, we now have each day, we're down 10% on the VIX, so we're calming all that down. Right? So we closed out today in a solid mode. Earnings, we know, Palantir and Nvidia have been super solid across the board on that with super good guidance. So that's good. Good guidance, good earnings. Now, the most exciting thing that came out of today, in fact, was, besides the fact that we spiked up to 85% of a probability of getting that cut that we need, and the market told us what it thinks of all that. Obviously, there's some massive big whales with huge, very interest rate sensitive portfolios out there who are really happy about this whole thing, is that Besson said the president was going to probably choose a Fed chairman before Christmas. Now, that sets the stage for a lot of different things. That means that he's going to put someone in there who definitely follows his posture, who's definitely going to start cutting rates aggressively. The president wants 300 basis point cuts as soon as possible. More likely now with that story happening than not before. So where are we now? It feels like the runway is super solid. We're at 47,000 on the Dow. 50,000 is reachable before year's end. S&P back up above 6,700. 7,000 is definitely reachable. The runway seems clear. The market is super solid. The earnings have been spectacular. All good news. And all good news leads to Rome. I love you all. This is the Einstein of Wall Street, Trade Like Einstein, Money News Network, where you find your favorite podcast. Is the beginning of a beautiful relationship. Let's go out there. Let's have some fun and let's learn later.